Hi there and welcome to my channel. People have been asking me to do a video about the fuel consumption on the A45 AMG, and as I'm waiting now to wash my car, as everybody decided to wash their car today, it's full, I thought about it and let's see. Okay, so from the moment where I start the car today, so it's been 37 minutes, 27 kilometers. I did mainly city and a little bit of freeway. I'm at 11 liters per 100 kilometers with an average speed of 43 kilometers an hour. Then since I reset the trip computer, which was yesterday, no, I didn't drive the car yesterday. It was 2 days ago, and I didn't drive the car yesterday. I did 136 kilometers, 2 hours 58 minutes, an average speed of 45 kilometers an hour, and the fuel consumption then is 10.6 liter per 100 kilometers. I have to say that if you drive the car really carefully, if you're in comfort mode and you don't push that much, you can stay between 9.5 and 10.5 or 11 at the maximum. But then of course if you start pushing the car, then it goes up very quickly. I'm usually around like 13.5 on driving, I would say, on normal condition with some fast acceleration. Okay, so let's wash the car now, because the weather is very good for once. So we're gonna wash the car and do a little ride later. There you go, the car is now clean and shiny and ready to go for a ride.